name is Tricia, and I'm going to read a poem for you tonight. This is an Irish-American poem called All Hallows. The Voices of the Dead. Are you with me, grandfather? Do you hear me, spirits of the past? Is the night hurrying because of you? The answers are not in unhoped-for words, but the images of night, the cloak, the stillborn wind, ripping brown leaves, rain on the sidewalk, clay earth becoming mud, mute stars, the tree sighing as it dies, the ending of the day, the halo of dawn, the night touch, the wolves howl, the heart, the soul of the dark. Because we know you well, the voices of the dead carry my heart, whispering, wind-voiced. What do they know but time? Timelessness is not theirs. They surpass it, as they surpass the images of night. My time is coming. I must leave, as we all must, as the dead have, wandering in their cities of different light, strange and still, touching each other as they pass, tenderly, with the fingertips, as they pass, walking home.
Is this recording?
Perfect. Yes, I think that was good. No dog. Or just hold it there.
Holding.
And 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Though the clouds mask the gleaming of the stars, the dancing flames of the bonfire's light guide me this Samhain night. This is the time when our two worlds meet, as the spirits pass through the dividing veil.